Math formulas look scary at first, but once you understand their meaning, they actually become powerful tools that make problem solving much easier. In this video, we will quickly explore some of the most important math formulas that students use again and again in exams. Let's start with the basics, because strong fundamentals are the real secret behind mastering advanced mathematics without fear. This is the commutative property of addition, which tells us that changing the order of numbers never changes the final answer. The same idea works for multiplication too, making calculations faster and more flexible during mental math situations. This associative property shows that grouping numbers differently does not affect the final result of addition.
The distributive law helps us expand brackets easily and is extremely useful in algebra and equation solving.
Now let's move into algebra, where formulas help us find unknown values using logical steps. A simple linear equation looks like this, and solving it means finding the value of x that balances both sides. By rearranging the equation, we get this formula, which directly gives us the value of x. Geometry formulas help us measure shapes, spaces, and structures we see everywhere in real life. The perimeter of a square is simply 4 times one side, because all sides are equal in length. Area tells us how much space the square covers, calculated by multiplying the side length by itself. For rectangles, area is found by multiplying length and breadth, making it very easy to calculate. This formula shows that a triangle's area is exactly half of a rectangle with the same base and height. Circles introduce the constant pi, which appears in many important mathematical and scientific formulas. This formula calculates the distance around a circle and is widely used in physics, engineering, and everyday measurements. The area of a circle depends on the square of its radius, multiplied by the constant pi. Math also helps us understand motion, speed, and time using very simple but powerful formulas. This formula tells us how fast something moves by comparing how far it travels with the time taken. By rearranging this formula, we can also calculate distance or time when the other values are known. Statistics formulas help us summarize large amounts of data into meaningful information. The mean, or average, is found by dividing the total sum of values by how many values exist. Understanding formulas is more important than memorizing them, because logic stays longer in your mind. When you know why a formula works, applying it in exams becomes faster and far more accurate. We just covered algebra, geometry, motion, and statistics formulas that appear frequently in school mathematics. Practice is the key ingredient that turns these formulas into natural problem-solving skills. Try solving a few questions every day, and you will notice a big improvement in confidence.
Math is not about fear, it is about patterns, logic, and smart thinking.
If this video helped you understand math formulas better, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning every day.